Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some mathematics arithmetic. That is on percentage. So here is a question. The first question is what percentage is equivalent? Equivalent means saman. What percentage is equivalent to 3/4? So 3/4. 3 upon 4, we will make it 100. That means we will multiply 4 by 5, 25. It will become 100. As we will multiply 4 by 25, we will also multiply the top number by 25. That is how many? 75 and upon 100. So 75% is equivalent to 3/4. Could understand? So right answer is 2. That this is the right answer. Yes, yes, yes. Next one is 3. What fraction is 15%? So let's calculate 15%. 15% means 15 upon 100. Could you understand? 5 3 the 5 20 the is equal to 3 upon 20. Which is a correct answer?
Three.
Number 3 is a correct answer. Number 3 is a correct answer. Next one is number, that is number 3. Find 4% of 3125. 3125 into how many percent?
4 by
4 upon 100. 4 25 the 25 1 the right. Remainder 6 2 62 25 2 remainder 12 5 125
12 5 the
25 the
5
25 5 the. So it's 125. Right answer is
Number 2.
number 2. Thank you. Okay. Next. 60% of what number is 30? 60% of what number is 30? That means 60 percentage means 60 upon 100 half x into is equal to 30, you know. Therefore, x is equal to 30 into 100 upon 60. 32 the 250 the is equal to 50. The right answer is
Number 1.
number 1. Number 1. Okay. Okay.
5 number.
Number 5. So, number 5 is like this 12.
121.
No, that is not 12. 1 half. This is 12 half. 12 half is what percent of 16? 16. 2 upon 3. 12 half is equal to 12 to the 24 plus 1 is 25 upon 2. This is 16 into 3 is equal to 48 plus 2 is equal to 50 upon 3. So, when it is 50 upon 3, it is 25 upon 2. When 1, 25 upon 2 into 3 upon 50. When it is 100, it is 50 to the 2 to the cancel is equal to 5.
75.
5 the is equal to how many? 15. How many?
75.
75. We made a mistake. Okay, we shall do it.
3 upon
Hmm.
75% అవుతుంది 3 upon
70%.
25 3 the
Yeah.
75 2 on
Yes, yes, if 25 to the, so it is just 25. 25. 25 into 3 is equal to 75. Okay. You understand? By mistake, we divided 25, 5, 5. Actually, there was no 5. Could you understand? Shall we do it? Let's do it again. Just 1 minute. 50 to the, 2 cancel, right? 25 into 3 is 75. You are right. Next, which is the correct answer?
3 number 3
Number 3. Which number?
5
5. So this is the correct answer. Right. Next, 6. 44% of a number is 27. What is it?
275
275, right. What did I say? 27.
25
25. I told you 25. But that is 275, right. 40% of a number is 275. What is the 64% of that number? So, 45 upon 100 is equal to 44. 44.
upon 100
44 upon 100 is equal how many? 275, right? 1 is equal to 275 into 100 upon 44, right? Therefore, 64 upon 100, 44 percentage means this one. 64 percentage means this one. Into 64 upon 100, 100 cancelled, right? 4 11 the, 4 16 the, 11 2 the, 22, remainder 5, use this 5, 55, 5 the, right? So 25, could understand, into 16 is equal to how many? 400, that is 400. The right answer is, tell me, which is the right answer?
number 2
Number 2. Number 2 is the right answer. Number 2 is the right answer. Okay.
so 2 number 10 में लिख देते
Next, two numbers. Two numbers are respectively 26 and 5% more than third. Let third number be number
B
B X. First number is 26% more, that is 100, 26x upon 100. First number. Second number is 5% more, that means 1 not 5x upon 100. Which is greater? First number is greater than second number. So, what percentage is the first of the second number? Second number. So, first of the second number, 126%. So, what percent is the first of the second number? Right? ସେ କହିଲା ତାର ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟିଭଲି 26 and 5% more than a third number ଅଧିକ. What percent is the first of the second number? Second number first ଟା କେତେ percent? Just 1 minute. Huh, yes. I see. Just 1 minute. Let's say question. Question number 6.
7.
7. So what percentage is the first of the second number? First of the second number. Of the second number.
Second number लिखना है. Second लिख सकते.
30%. 20%. So 1 not 5x upon 100 is equal to 126x upon 100. 1 is equal to into 100, 1 not 5x, next 100, 100, 100 cancel, x cancel, 5, 21, the 5, 20, right? Next 26 the is equal to 120%.
21 6 the.
Huh?
21 6 the.
Oh, 21 6 the. That is 120%. Next one is this is number 1. Number 8. If a man's salary is 20% more than that of B, then how much percent B is salary than that of A? So let B's salary is X, right? And A's salary is 20% more means 120x upon 100. Could you understand? So A salary is so when A's salary is 120x upon 100, B's salary is how many? B's salary is equal to, let's see. Sorry. Oh, let B's salary B what X? A's salary
20%
is 120 X upon 100 because 20% more. 100 रे 20% अधिक गले 100 प्लस 20 इज 20% more. X is equal to 120 X upon 100, right? So B's salary is X, you know. Who is greater? B's salary is greater than A's salary is greater than B's salary. B's salary is smaller than A's salary. So let's see. B's 100 20x upon 100 minus x is equal to 100 120x minus 100 x is equal to 20x upon 100. Would you understand? So this is 120 x upon 100. When A's salary is 120x upon 100, B is less, B is 20x upon 100 less. Could you understand? When A's salary is 1, B will be less 20x upon 100 into 100 upon 1 upon 120x, right? When A's salary is 100, that is 100 cancelled. Could you understand? 26 the 2 3 the 2 x cancelled 50. So it is 50 upon 3. 50 upon 3 is equal to 16 to 3%, to 3%, right? Which is answer? Which is the correct answer?
1.
1 is the correct answer. Next, how many? Number 9. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 200% and the denominator, top number, bottom number. So numerator is top number, denominator is bottom number, is increased by 300%. The fraction resultant fraction is 11 upon 12. Could under suppose the fraction is suppose the fraction is 11 upon 12, right? And then here top number is 11, bottom number is 12, or this is the numerator, this is the denominator. So as per the question, x upon y, could understand? So just 1 minute. X question means numerator 200%. Increased, that is 200 x upon 100, right? Similarly, denominator increased by 300 y upon 100. So as per the question, 200 x upon 100 by 300 y upon 100 is equal to 11 upon 12. Implies that implies 2, this cancel 2x into just 1 minute, otherwise we will do it like this. Here 200x upon 100 into 100 upon 300 x is equal to 11 upon 12. So this is 100. 100 cancel it, 2 0 0 cancel it, x cancel it, that means 2 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 3 is equal to 11 upon 12, that is 4. Wrong. How? Oh, no. This is should not be cancelled. Understand? Is implies that 24 upon 33. 24 upon 33. Cross multiplication. 12 to the 24 and 11 to the. Would understand? Cross. This is a cross multiplication. Okay, now which is correct? Tell me. Which is correct? 24 upon which number is? 9.
11 upon 12 is
11.
upon 12.
11. That is 3 11 the 3 8 the 8 hour 11.
11 upon 8 upon 11 within.
No, it's wrong. Again. We followed a wrong procedure. Could understand or not? We followed a wrong procedure. Let's revisit it again. Revisit it. Could understand? So 200 x upon 100 into 100 upon 3, 100 upon 300 y. Could you understand? Is equal to 11 upon 12, right? 100 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So this is that is 2x upon 3y is equal to 11 upon 12, right? 3 1 the 3 4 the, right? So is equal to Yes, is equal to 8x upon y is equal to 8 upon 11. Could understand? This is the right answer. So, as there is no option like this, none of these is the correct answer. None of these is the correct answer. Could you understand? Next one is, if the price of 1 kg of rice is increased by 25%, the increase is 12. Find the new price of the rice. Suppose
The per kg.
per kg, the initial is X. It is increased how many percent? 25%. That means when the price is 100, the new price is 125. When X, that is 125x upon 100. This new price is yours. Could you understand? Actually, we made a mistake. This is shouldn't have it be like this. We made a mistake. Again, let's do it again. Number 9. You understand? Number 9. So, suppose the fraction is x minus x upon y. Number 9. Could you understand? How many increased? 200% increased. Which? This number, top number, that is x plus 200 x upon 100 is equal to 100 x plus 2x 200x 200x implies that 300x upon, sorry, similarly bottom number, how many percent? 300%. Y plus 300 upon 100 is equal to y. This is y is equal to 100. This is 100 y plus 300 y is equal to 400 y minus 100. Could you understand? So, this is 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. That means as per question, 3x upon 1, 3x upon 4y. This is 4y. Is equal to how many? 11 upon 12. 4 1 the 4 3 the is equal to 9x is equal, sorry is equal to x upon y is equal to 11 upon 9. Cross multiplication. The right answer is 11 upon 9, but as there is no option like this, number 5, none of these is correct. This is the right procedure. In the first attempt, we made a mistake. That is not the right procedure. This is the right procedure. Could you understand? Now, let's move to the question number 10. If question number 10. Yes, if the price of 1 kg rice is increased by 25%, that is 25% means 12 rupees. Full means 12 into 100 by 25. You understand? So, for 25 4 the is equal to 48. Could you understand? 48. So, this is the right price. Could you understand? This is the original price. And it is increased by 12. So, this is the increased amount. So total is equal to 60. So what is I find the new price of rice is 60. So RS is 60. Just 1 minute. RS is 60. Or otherwise we can do like this. Just 1 minute. Just some minute. Let the price be X. Could understand? And increased how many 12? X plus 12. Is equal to how many? This one is equal to how many? 125x upon 100. Implies that 100 into x plus 12 is equal to 125x. Implies that 100x plus 1200 is equal to 125x. Implies that 1200 is equal to 125x minus 100x is equal to 25x. 25x. Therefore, x is equal to 2000 upon 25. Tell me for the 25 for the even remainder 20. Say 0 to 125 8 that is 48. 40 is new price is equal to 48 plus 12 is equal to 60 rupees. The correct answer is, what is the correct answer?
60.
60. Which one is?
2.
2. Number 2 is the correct answer. With this, that is the end of today's math class. We shall discuss the other maths in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.